Hello and welcome to Rosemary Avenue here in Earley. It's a very wet, slightly dark morning, so forgive me if I don't spend too much time outside. So let's just quickly crack on with this tour for you. What we have here is a 3-bedroomed ensuite to the master, link-detached property, very close to the Asda complex and Loddon Valley Leisure Centre, in fact within walking distance. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the cul-de-sac. That's the end of the cul-de-sac, just around the corner there. And if I just spin round the other way, this will take you to the entrance to Rosemary Avenue, just round the corner to the left there. Just going to spin full circle and show you what this property is facing. As you can see, we're not overlooked to the front. So really nice location for this house. We've got a driveway here and the garage, which I'll show you from the inside. So I'm going to make my way inside. Like I said, it is a fairly dark morning this morning, so I've put all the lights on just to help us with this video. So we're in the entrance hall here. The staircase just around the corner there to the first floor. That's a cloaks cupboard right in front of me. I'm just going to step aside, turn round. There's the WC, downstairs cloakroom, and the front door entrance. So let's just show you the downstairs WC to start with. A low level suite and the wash basin and a radiator there. So pretty straightforward. And from the front door, right hand door here takes you into the lounge. So as you can see, this is an empty property. So there's no onward chain. So the lounge, to the rear there, we've got a door in front of us to the dining room, door to the left into the kitchen. And let's just spin round because I'd just like to point out quite a nice bay window on the front. It's a full bay, walk-in bay. The windows are double glazed sealed units. They've got the Georgian bar, which you may not quite see through the net curtains there. But it just gives the house aesthetically quite a nice appearance. That sort of Georgian look. So as you can see, quite a nice sized lounge. And then through this door, we're into the dining room. So obviously it's a rear aspect window with a radiator underneath. So a separate dining room. And then through here into the kitchen. So this property has been extended, which I'll show you in just a second. So the washing machine facility would be in the utility room. As you can see, appliances have actually been removed. I guess in front of us there, you'd probably have the dishwasher. And then probably a larder fridge. We've got a built-in double oven just there. So this is a rear aspect window. And then more units over there. And just behind the door here, we've got an understairs storage cupboard with shelving, so more like a larder cupboard. And then this door takes you through to the extended area. So there's a door here on the left direct to the garage. I'll show you that in just a moment. And then turning right. So this has been used as a utility room. We've got a sink there on the right hand side, as you can see. But you'll probably notice straight away it's quite large, so big enough to be a sort of study, family room, somewhere to work from home, that sort of thing. Rear aspect window, and there is a door just there taking you into the rear garden. And last but not least, above the sink, you can see we have a gas-fired boiler. In fact, that doesn't look too old. We can certainly find out the age of that. And we can let anybody know that comes to view the house. So quite a really good size utility, but I think more of a sort of study family room really. This door then into the garage. First thing to say about the garage, we have an electric up and over door. I'm going to point upwards because we've got really good roofed storage space there. So that's the garage. Okay, so let's make our way now back through to the hallway and show you the first floor. So we've got 3 bedrooms. Now, interesting enough actually, a lot of 3-bedroom houses, I'm sure many of you would know, the 3rd bedroom, it can often be a little bit of a box room, but not the case with this house. The 3rd bedroom is a really good size. We've also got an ensuite to the master. But just quickly on the landing, we've got an airing cupboard there. And just going to point upwards, access to the loft space. And whilst I've not looked, I have been told there is a loft ladder fitted there. So I'm going to show you the master bedroom to start with. That's this one, which is at the rear. As you can see, quite a good size. Just going to step in and turn around because we do have a built-in double wardrobe just over there. Again, UPVC double glazed windows. Has the Georgian bar on the windows to the rear as well as the front. Often the rear windows you'll find are plain, but not here. Ensuite. So we've got a shower cubicle just here. There's the shower fitment. And then the pedestal wash basin, the WC just around the corner here. And a radiator just on the right hand side. There is a window in the ensuite. So that's the main bedroom with its own shower room toilet. Now through here, this is the 2nd bedroom. Again, built-in wardrobe just in the corner there. So this is actually at the front of the house. And then back onto the landing, left-hand side here, this is bedroom 3. So, as you may recall, I mentioned about the size of bedroom 3. You can see straight away that's a really good size for a 3rd bedroom. In fact, you could get a double bed in here. There's a built-in wardrobe in the corner. So whilst you can see this is a property that does need some TLC, I'd call it, a bit of decorating, someone needs to come in and make it their own. But basically what you've got here is a really good size 3-bedroom ensuite property. But the one thing that I've saved here to the last is that this has been refitted very recently. Originally a bathroom, this is now actually a sort of wet room design. Let's just focus on the low-level WC there for a second. The wash basin, got a heated towel rail. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see we have a rain shower there. There's the controls beneath, and this is a shower, as in a wet room shower. All tiles surround. Very nicely finished and a really good size. This area here is, I guess, where the bath would have been, and certainly if someone wanted to have a bath, it wouldn't be too difficult to get one refitted. Just literally slotted back in place with the shower over the bath, I guess then. But yeah, so this is one part of the house that has been redone. So I'm now going to take you downstairs and show you the rear garden to finish. As I mentioned at the start of the tour, location-wise, very convenient. It's a quiet cul-de-sac, tucked away really, yet within walking distance of the Asda complex, Loddon Valley Leisure Centre. But also from here, M4 motorway is probably somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes drive away. And that could be either junction 10 or junction 11. So quite a convenient location really for the motorway. Okay, so the garden. You can see we've got a patio area here. And then just spinning round, we have the lawned area with lots of bushes. Let's just take a walk down here. I'm going to show you in the corner. There's a little shed tucked away there. And I'll spin round and show you the back of the house, because you can see the extension there on the right hand side. So that is number 33 Rosemary Avenue. If you'd like to ask any questions about this property prior to viewing, my name's Gary. Do call WhiteKnights on the number on the website and ask for me. I'll hopefully answer those questions. But of course, it's the same number if you'd like to take a look inside. Do give us a call. And thanks for watching.